6.2 is determinants of demand. Sometimes you'll hear this referred to as the non-price factors of demand, and the ceteris paribus or ceteris paribus, you'll hear that both ways. 6.1 was all about the law of demand, and when price goes up, quantity goes down. When price goes down, quantity goes up. We're talking about movement on the same curve in 6.1 because we've changed the price. 6.2 is looking at those things that are actually going to cause the whole entire curve to shift either to the right or to the left. And all of these scenarios have nothing to do with the change of price. So make sure that you're understanding that. I've got your I can statements here. Very important that you print those off. I have bolded the things that are required. Your resource questions go along with this video. This demand shifters handout is required. Then you have 4 activities down here. Take a look at them, do them, don't do them. If you don't do them, odds are you're probably not going to do very well and you're going to be required to go back. Practicing this right now is extremely important. Not that this is math, but the more practice you get in working these problems out, the better your understanding is going to be. If you'll notice, I said click on the tab on this left side of this page. Over here, if you click on this tab, it does take you to video explanations for all of those handouts. So use those if you need to. I would say the same exact thing to you if I was standing in front of the whole entire class or standing beside you. So those are there for all of these activities here. On the I can statements, I did not put any practice questions. I put some handouts down here. Here are the questions to work through. There are 3 or 4 different handouts. And then I've made a key and posted the key for all those so you can work through those and go back and check your answers. 4+ questions for demand, those are going to be your multiple choice questions, and those typically are a little bit harder than actually just graphing and shifting the graphs without trying to wade through some of a little more difficult things that you have to think about in these. So here is just a practice. I think there's 10 questions here posted that are multiple choice, and you will be required to circle the correct answer on the test, and you'll also have to graph the answer. So make sure you're spending some time in 6.2. I am always here if you need for me to sit down and work through some of these and you don't understand. Once you've gone through them, once you've watched the videos and tried to work these problems out on your own, I'm happy to help.